Hi, this is Samir from keywebmetrics.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about the benefits of enterprise analytics. Now, there's been a lot of debate on why free analytical solution like Google Analytics is better than enterprise analytical solutions like Core Metrics or Site Catalyst. And you can find a ton of content on the blog about everybody talking about why Google Analytics and other free analytical tools are better than the enterprise analytics. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm a big follower of Google Analytics. I love Google Analytics because it's simple, it's very robust tool. You can get a lot of things done from it. But when you do want to analyze data and take your web analytics to the advanced level, you have to move from free solutions to enterprise solutions. And that's what this post is about, this video is about. So here we go with the top 5 reasons why enterprise analytics rocks. So reason number 1 is support. Now, every website is different, every business is structured in a different way, and that's the reason why you need a custom installation of the analytical code on your website in order to track your performance effectively. And that's the reason why you need support. So support can help you with the custom installation of your code on your website. You can update your analytical code based on the changes in your business model or your product offering or the market needs. And at the same time, at times you will have to change code on the site based on certain segment that you add to your business, or maybe you add a new business unit, so you want to incorporate that in your analytical package. And without support, it's almost impossible to do that, and at the same time maintain a streamlined data flowing through your reports. The second reason why you need enterprise analytics is custom metrics. You can create custom metrics on the fly in robust analytical tools like Omniture Discover or Core Metrics Explorer. These tools are so powerful that you can create custom metrics and you can apply it, segment the data to the detail, and you can get actionable insights. At the same time, you can incorporate your company-wide KPIs, or key performance indicators, into your data and measure them across the different data sets. Here's what I'm talking about. Let's look at the live data. So over here, you're going to see in this report, I created a custom conversion. So this is a metrics I created on the fly. And there are like 3 different metrics I created here. Single page upon click through, then I have the actual conversion, and then I have the custom conversion. So you see how fast it is to create a metrics and apply it to the different timeline that I have over here. So going back, that's the reason why you need the custom metrics. Now let's talk about the multi-dimensional timeline. What's a multidimensional timeline? Multidimensional timeline is you can compare data on a different time sets. In Google Analytics, you can mainly compare 2 sets of data. Let's say if you want to compare month over month or week over week or every day, day over day, but you cannot compare 3 different or 4 different or multiple instances. Whereas in Discover, you can definitely do that. Let's look at this report. So here I have different segments at a different timeline. So you see I'm looking at the different sets of timeline for these different social media segments that bring traffic to my site. So I'm comparing them and I can draw actionable insights. I can look at the trends. I can set a baseline for my metrics, and at the same time I can perform actionable analysis. That's the reason why you need a multi-dimensional timeline, and you can get that only with the enterprise solutions. With Google Analytics and other free analytical tools, you cannot have that information. The third reason is integration. You can integrate multiple data sources. Now, whenever you are working with the different solutions like CRM solutions, or you're working with social media analytical solutions, or pay-per-click management software, or an SEO software where you track your rankings, you can integrate that data, incorporate it easily and effectively in your analytical solutions. This is how the integration structure of Site Catalyst looks like. So if you see the iBlaster, it's an ad server that's been integrated to our server with Site Catalyst. So we can capture the data from these different sources, from Salesforce, ExactTarget, that's an email system. So you can capture the data inside Catalyst and you can look at your data from start to finish. You can prepare a click to close report using this information, and you can draw actionable insights and powerful recommendations. And you can also measure the individual channel performance, because some of the channels, they need a separate analytical tool like pay-per-click, SEO, social media. You might be using a third party to manage your campaigns, and at the same time you can use the sources to integrate with Site Catalyst and prepare insightful and detailed dashboards. And that's the reason why you need enterprise analytics. And one final reason why I think you need enterprise analytics solution is the campaign attribution. Now, if you're running campaigns on multiple channels, for example, you're doing offline, your sales representative are doing offline campaign, and then you have social media campaigns running, and you have pay-per-click ads, you have banners and emails, all these different sources. Now with a ordinary analytical solution, you can capture all the data that's happening on your site, but what's about data that's not happening on your site? For example, if you want to look at the data that's not on your site, for example, somebody clicks the banner ad, or somebody saw your banner and then they came to your site and converted. How are you going to do that? With normal analytical solution, that data will be counted as a clean entry, that's a direct traffic or bookmark traffic, but that's not true. That traffic is not a direct traffic. You paid for it. You paid for that banner. So you want to attribute that conversion to the banner. So if you look at the Discover screen, if you look over here, I have 3 campaign instances. This is the first instance. What was the first instance of the campaign? And then I have the multi-touch instance. What campaigns or what conversion resulted due to multiple touches? It could be email, banner, and pay-per-click together. And what was the last instance? So what I can do with this information is I can prepare a campaign attribution model. So now I have this powerful model where it will allow me to allocate my funds to the different campaign attributions, to the different campaigns. So now I'm not going to say, okay, all my conversion came from pay-per-click because that was the last instance. That's not true. Well, people saw my banner ad, people saw my emails, and later on they went to Google and searched. And now they're already familiar with my brand. They clicked on Google and they became a visitor, and finally they converted to a sales lead. So I have the whole picture. So that's the reason why you need a campaign attribution model where you can allocate your funds efficiently and save time and money. Again, this is Samir from keywebmetrics.com. I will be releasing more keyweb metrics and advanced analytical video, so subscribe to my RSS. Thanks.